Good morning, future millionaires. Welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. My name's Mr. Crypto. Here at CNN, we're bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So, people, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe for all latest news. So, without further delay and all that being said, let's get on. Okay. Hope you're feeling well and good out there, people. Yeah, please smash that like button and subscribe. Just to keep the YouTube algorithm showing up the cryptocurrency news. It does have a tendency to block out or filter out cryptocurrency at the moment. So the more people we get liking and subscribing, the more people will get to the space. So please smash the like button and subscribe. So getting on to the news now. We've had a good little comeback within the last few days. It has been a bit of doom and gloom in the market recently, but if you have been following us on CNN, you'll actually see that we was actually overextended on the monthly. We did actually need to come back down and cool off in order to continue the bull run. A lot of people are saying that it's the end of it, but if you judge the technicals and judge the numbers and study the charts, you'll see that it's just a mid-break. I'll actually show you later on in the episode where we actually are and where we're actually trying to get to. So stay tuned for the end for that. Right, so looking at the top 10 for today, actually let's have a look at the market cap. Market cap is 1.8 trillion, which isn't very good right now, to be honest with you. The average 24-hour supply as well has gone down quite a significant amount. We usually are around 200, so 156 is quite low. The dominance of Bitcoin is still 40. It was 42 a couple of days ago. It's 40. It's dropped a little bit. That's why you'll see your altcoins going up a little bit. Ideally, we do want this to come up a bit more because we do need Bitcoin to climb and get closer back to those what was it, the $50,000. We have strong support at 42, I believe, and 45. So we need to smash through those before we start climbing up higher. As you can see, it's quite a good U-shaped recovery. So it looks like we are on the way up. As you can see, a lot of coins follow Bitcoin. If you just look at this one and then look at all the others, you can see they're almost identical in some of the patterns in the charts. Some of the altcoins are at the mercy of Bitcoin. Look at these are almost identical. So sometimes you can just look at Bitcoin to judge where you are. Further on, when we get into the actual main adoption, these coins here will have less and less correlation in regards to being tied to Bitcoin, but for now they are at the mercy of it. So whatever Bitcoin does has an effect on the other coins for now, unfortunately, but that will change later on in the adoption. Right, so quick bit of news and then onto the charts. So let's start here. Bitcoin miners start accumulating again. Can the bullish sentiment push BTC past 40k? Bitcoin miners start accumulating BTC again amid rising network hashtags. BTC has broken out of the key pattern for the one-day chart, breaking the 38.5k resistance. So Bitcoin miners have started to accumulate BTC again as the hash rate of Bitcoin network rebounds to new highs. Miner accumulation is seen as a bullish sentiment and indicates the price could see an uptrend. The declining rate of the miners sending their Bitcoin holdings to exchanges comes at a crucial time when the top cryptocurrency has broken out of the equilateral triangle pattern on the one day long-term chart. That was a mouthful. So yeah, as they start to not put their Bitcoin, no, the miners, let's start at the beginning. The miners are basically the top dogs when it comes to Bitcoin. They hold the most Bitcoin out of everyone. Some of these miners have been in the game since Bitcoin was like $1. So you can imagine how much some of these miners have got in Bitcoin. So obviously a lot of them are anonymous and you'll never know who they are, but they are the controllers of the whole market. Basically, they own more than all the institutions put together. The only person that's probably got more than them is is the top Bitcoin guy, Satoshi. But apart from that, they are the kings. So whatever they do as well has a knock-on effect on the market. Bitcoin price is currently trading at $39,000, 231, with 40,000 being the immediate resistance. A breakup of 40k could help retest the 45k soon. So you can see, we'll have a look at this in a minute, but you'll see that we're in this triangle here and we've just broken out of here. Market crash in the second week of May saw Bitcoin price retrace 50% from the top, leading to a 3-month low just above 30k. The price crash was attributed to an over-leveraged market aided by several FUD leading to the panic selling and exchange malfunctions. The market sentiments have turned bullish again as Bitcoin mining FUD was dissolved, with North America miners' push for cleaner mining alternatives, and Bitcoin network hash rate has returned to pre-FUD levels. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. What the market and all the big institutions will place into your mind to make you sell your coins for cheaper. It's a classic manipulation tactic which has been used for years and years to help you to capitulate out the market. Capitulation means to give up, to surrender, and which you don't want to do. Remember, we always say here, keep hold of your coins. Do not let these people bully you out of your coins and make you disbelieve in the networks and the assets in which you have put your money into. Stay strong, people. Right, so finishing off now with the Bitcoin chart, just to have show you what we was doing. So what they're referring to is this is the weekly. Let's go into the monthly. If you look down here at the bottom on the RSI, down here, right, this is the previous bull market here. That's where it went up, and that's where we are in this bull market. And then what happens is you take the break here, and then you measure it, and it gives you your new target, which was here on the last one. So you do the same here. We took the length from this peak down to the break, we measured it, and then we put it there, and it gave us our next peak. So here, oh yeah, so that was 2017, that was 2013 bull run. This is the bull run we're in now. Disregard this line here, just concentrate on this one here. So we've taken it from there to the top, and as you can see, we've come down lower than previous years. This year here, there, we didn't even go down there. We had a straight up, down and up, and the 2000. That's why you'll hear analysts saying that this is more like the 2013 bull market, because we came down there in 2013, and you can see we've come down here in 2021. The difference is now we've come down a bit deeper, but hopefully now we can spring straight back up again. As you can see, there's never been a time where we haven't made that sort of double dip. So a lot of people are calling for the end, so that would potentially be, that's it, that's the end of the hump, and it goes down. As you can see from history, it doesn't do that. So just have faith in what you've brought people, and don't let people scare you out of the market. Let's go into the 4 hour and you can see what they were talking about with that triangle. So if you remember that triangle that we just saw, saying that it's broke out of it, that is the triangle right there. You can see in the pink, that's the triangle there, and we've broken out of it here, so it's all good. These are all the resistance levels that I've marked here that we need to get above. It has taken a long while, but we are slowly climbing. As you can see, each time we hit a resistance level, we bounce up again, and we are respecting the 20-day moving average. Every time we hit it, bang, we're propelling up. So things are looking quite good, but we have got an awful long way to go. If you look, zoom out, we have got a long way to go until we get to those pre-levels, those pre-drop levels. That's where we was all doing nice up there, didn't know how lucky we were, and then we started to crash down. But slowly we are getting green candles back up again, and it could take around, I think around 2 months. So just keep strong, people, and keep watching Crypto News Network for the latest updates. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.